Setting up Neovim for web development involves configuring it as an efficient development environment with plugins, language servers, and tools. Here's how. Install Neovim. Download and install Neovim from neovim.io. Ensure you have the latest version. Install a plugin manager. Use a plugin manager like packer.nvim or vimplug to manage your plugins. For example, add web development plugins. Include plugins for syntax highlighting, LSP, and file management in your init.lua or init.vim. Treeseeder for advanced syntax highlighting. Nvim LSP config to configure language servers. Prettier or ESLint plugins for code formatting and linting. Example plugin configuration. Set up LSP and autocomplete. Use Nvim LSP config to add language servers like TS Server, HTML-LS, and CSS-LS. Install autocomplete tools like NVIM CMP for IntelliSense. Install Node.js and tools. Install Node.js and package managers to work with JavaScript or TypeScript projects. Configure key bindings. Customize shortcuts for faster navigation and common tasks. Test the setup. Open a project and enjoy coding efficiently in Neovim.